Hi, my name's Carolyn Kubik, and my husband and I are from Churchill, Pennsylvania. And so I was fortunate because a really good friend of mine had used Pittsburgh's Best Remodeling, and she said she'd done a lot of remodeling before, and she said this was the best that she's ever experienced. I met with Missy, who was the designer. I met with her first in her office, and then she came out and we went through the rooms, and I was just really comfortable with her. Missy was involved in all of the steps of remodeling the master bathroom and the powder room and the laundry room, and she was very aware of kind of where I wanted to go, what I was looking for, and she worked together with me to pick colors and tile, and she gave me some really great suggestions that I wouldn't have even thought of, and so I was really, really pleased. The crew was amazing. The crew was absolutely amazing. They were really efficient. They gave me a calendar. I knew when it was going to start. I knew when it was going to finish, and they did a really good job of cleaning up every day. So not only does it look presentable, but the tile that was chosen as the backsplash was just amazing, just fantastic, as well as the downlighting and and the cabinets. The cabinets are really, really good quality cabinets. They don't slam shut. They're quiet. There's lots of room. They're really, really solid cabinets. Gavin, who did most of the tile installation and the cabinet installation, and he and the painter Mark were absolute perfectionists. They just were so detail oriented, and that pleased me very much. If someone asked me who I would recommend, I would definitely recommend Pittsburgh's Best Remodeling. I've had other contractors in the past, and I didn't know when they were going to show up, and I just was pleased with every step of the way. I really enjoyed meeting the crew. They were all really polite. They just really friendly, and when there was a question that came to me, I mean, it was enjoyable.
Call 724-935-6000 for your free design consultation.